Welcome to this presentation on an efficient system model to minimize signal interference and delay in mobile cloud environment. This research was conducted by Praveena Akhi et al. And published in 9th August 2019. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we address a critical challenge in mobile cloud computing, the escalating problem of signal interference and network delay. While the integration of mobile and cloud resources offers unparalleled user access and computational power, the proliferation of low power nodes, particularly femtocells, introduces significant intra-tier and inter-tier interference. This directly degrades quality of service by increasing execution times. Existing methodologies often fall short either by being applicable to limited overhead scenarios, introducing packet delivery delays, or failing to comprehensively minimize execution time. Our research posits that a submodular optimizing offloading algorithm can effectively mitigate these bottlenecks. Ryojaya, D. Bakke-Hayai, we hypothesize that by judiciously deciding between local and remote task execution and by optimizing resource allocation, we can significantly reduce both execution time and interference. Our baseline assumptions include a heterogeneous network environment where mobile devices possess varying computational capabilities and energy profiles, and tasks can be flexibly processed either locally or offloaded to cloud servers. Our approach frames the problem as a submodular minimization, decomposing the objective function into two primary subproblems: minimizing transmission time and minimizing remote execution time. The total objective function is simply their sum. The algorithm operates in two stages. First, it makes an offloading decision by comparing the local execution time against the combined remote transmission and processing time. If local execution is faster, the task remains local, otherwise, it is offloaded. Second, for offloaded tasks, we optimize both the transmission time and the remote processing time. Channel gain is dynamically assigned based on the mobile device's proximity to a base station. If within a specified range, the channel gain is unity, otherwise it is zero, indicating a loss of direct access or a redirection to a neighboring device. Transmission power is iteratively optimized to a minimum threshold, and remote execution time is similarly refined. System utility is defined to increase when a derived quality factor is positive and channel gain is present. Mathematically, local execution time is the ratio of CPU cycles to the device's computation capacity. Remote processing time is the ratio of CPU cycles to the server's computation capacity. Data rate is calculated as bandwidth multiplied by the logarithm base 2 of 1 plus the ratio of uplink transmission power times channel gain to noise. Uplink transmission time is the data size divided by this data rate. The overall objective is to minimize the sum of uplink transmission time and remote processing time, subject to positive data size and server computation capability, and a radius constraint related to a quality factor. Our performance evaluation conducted using the Green Cloud Simulator demonstrates significant improvements. The proposed submodular optimization algorithm achieved a substantial reduction in overall execution time by 57.89%. When benchmarked against existing methods, the gains were even more pronounced. Specifically, we observed a 79.53% reduction in execution time compared to the edge cloud compression method and a 62% reduction against the partial compression offloading model. Furthermore, a direct comparison with a general existing method showed our approach optimized execution time by 30%. Crucially, the quality of experience, a user-centric metric, was consistently higher for our proposed algorithm across varying numbers of devices. The results also indicate that as the number of mobile devices increases, our method maintains superior performance, providing better optimized values compared to existing solutions. The algorithm effectively determines optimal offloading decisions, ensuring tasks are processed remotely only when it yields a net time benefit and the device is within the base station's coverage area. The theoretical implications of this work are significant. By framing the complex interplay of interference, delay, and resource allocation as a submodular minimization problem, we challenge existing models that often address these factors in isolation or with simplified assumptions. Our approach provides a more holistic and adaptive framework for decision making in heterogeneous mobile cloud environments. The explicit consideration of dynamic channel gain, transmission power optimization, and the nuanced trade off between local and remote execution costs represents a substantial advancement over prior works that might overlook these interdependencies or apply limited overhead constraints. This submodular decomposition allows for efficient, scalable optimization, offering a robust theoretical foundation for managing resource contention and enhancing quality of service in increasingly dense cellular networks. Looking ahead, this research opens several avenues for the future research frontier. We envision exploring dynamic adaptation to highly volatile network conditions and sophisticated user mobility patterns, moving beyond static distance based channel gain models. Integrating advanced machine learning techniques for predictive offloading decisions and proactive resource allocation could further enhance system intelligence and responsiveness. Furthermore, extending this framework to incorporate energy harvesting capabilities of mobile devices or green computing principles within cloud infrastructure would address critical sustainability concerns. In conclusion, this work presents a highly efficient submodular optimization based offloading algorithm designed to minimize signal interference and delay within mobile cloud environments. Our core contribution lies in providing a robust, two-stage decision-making framework that intelligently balances local and remote task execution, leading to substantial reductions in execution time and a marked improvement in user quality of experience. The algorithms demonstrated performance with execution time reductions of up to 79.53% compared to leading existing methods, underscores its practical utility and theoretical elegance. Moving forward, we identify several high-level directions for future research. First, investigating the algorithm's performance and adaptability within the context of emerging 5G and beyond networks, particularly considering concepts like network slicing and edge computing, will be crucial. Second, exploring the integration of advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning methodologies for real-time, predictive resource allocation, and dynamic interference management represents a promising avenue. Finally, developing a comprehensive economic model to evaluate the intricate trade-offs between infrastructure investment, energy consumption, and user quality of service in large-scale, heterogeneous deployments would provide valuable insights for practical implementation.